Glory to you, O Lord.
The parents of Jesus used to go every year to Jerusalem for the feast of Passover. And when he was 12, they went up to the celebration as was their custom. As they were returning at the end of the feast, a child, Jesus, remained behind, unknown to his parents. Thinking he was in the party, they continued their journey for a day, looking for him among their relatives and acquaintances. Not finding him, they returned to Jerusalem in search of him. On the third day they came upon him in the temple, sitting in the midst of the teachers, listening to them and asking them questions. All who heard him were amazed at his intelligence and answers. When his parents saw him, they were astonished. And his mother said to him, "Son, why have you done this to us? You see that your father and I have been searching for you in sorrow." He said to them, "Why did you search for me? Did you not know I had to be in my father's house?" But they did not grasp what he said to them. He went down with them and came to Nazareth and was obedient to them. His mother, meanwhile, kept all these things in memory. Jesus, for his part, progressed steadily in wisdom and age and grace before God and men. The Gospel of the Lord.
Praise to you, Lord Jesus Christ.